This is going to be a video tutorial on how to prevent people from posting on your Facebook page using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Facebook app. To prevent people from posting on your Facebook page, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner, down to your little profile icon. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go up to the upper right hand corner to the little gear wheel and tap on the little gear wheel. Then you want to scroll down a ways. Down in the audience and visibility section, you'll see profile and tagging. Tap on profile and tagging. And the very first thing here, who can post on your profile? I'm going to tap on who can post on your profile. You can set it to friends or only me. If you set it to only me, you toggle that one on, that you will be the only person that can post on your Facebook page, and then you'll go down to the bottom and tap on save. That is how to prevent people from posting on your Facebook page using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.